How to climb the credit card ladder with bad credit in 2025. Improving your credit score can feel overwhelming, particularly when you're starting with bad credit. But with thoughtful strategies and actionable steps, you can climb the credit card ladder, build better credit, and unlock greater financial opportunities. In this video, we'll teach you how to progress from secured cards to premium options while developing habits that lead to long-term financial health. Whether you're in debt or just starting to rebuild, this guide is for you. Let's begin your climb. Before diving into the steps, let's define what we mean by the credit card ladder. The credit card ladder represents a progression, starting with basic credit-building tools like secured credit cards and slowly working your way up to unsecured cards, mid-tier options, and eventually premium credit cards. You're probably wondering, why does this matter? The answer is simple. Each rung of the ladder comes with its own benefits. Basic cards help you rebuild credit, mid-tier cards offer better terms and rewards, and premium cards provide exclusive perks with lower fees and interest rates. But here's the catch. When you're starting with bad credit, not all credit card options are available. Bad credit makes lenders see you as risky. That's why you need a strategic approach to prove your creditworthiness step by step before accessing the best financial tools. When rebuilding your credit, the first step is often using secured credit cards. These cards are designed for individuals with bad credit or no credit history. A secured credit card requires a refundable security deposit. For example, if you deposit $300, that becomes your credit limit. This deposit minimizes the lender's risk, making it easier to get approved even with a low credit score. Secured cards report your payment activity to credit bureaus. By using the card responsibly, you can establish a history of on-time payments and begin to boost your credit score. In 2025, many secured cards are available, but some come with high fees and unfavorable terms. To avoid setbacks, research cards and choose one with the following features. Affordable deposit. Companies like Discover and Capital One offer beginner-friendly options with low deposits. Low fees. Avoid cards with excessive annual fees or hidden charges. Credit reporting. Make sure the card reports to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Use the card like a debit card. Only spend what you can afford to repay in full each month. Carrying a balance, even with a small limit, could lead to unnecessary interest charges and defeat your goal of rebuilding. Secured credit cards are only as effective as the habits you build around them. Developing strong credit habits is critical to climbing the ladder. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score, so even one late payment can significantly impact your progress. Always pay your credit card bill on time, ideally in full, to avoid interest charges and late fees. To make this easier, set up automatic payments or calendar reminders. Keeping track of your due dates can help you stay consistent. Your credit utilization ratio, the percentage of your credit limit you use, should stay below 30%. For example, if your limit is $300, try to use less than $90 at any given time. Lower utilization shows lenders you're financially responsible, which positively impacts your credit score. Mistakes on your credit report can hold you back. Regularly check your credit reports using free tools like annualcreditreport.com to spot errors. If you find inaccuracies, such as accounts you didn't open or late payments that were actually on time, dispute them immediately. This step ensures your credit report accurately reflects your efforts to improve. Once you've successfully used a secured credit card for 6-12 months, you may be ready to transition to an unsecured credit card. Unlike secured cards, unsecured credit cards don't require a deposit, and they often offer higher credit limits and additional perks. However, they still have eligibility requirements. As your credit score improves, you'll gain access to more unsecured options. Certain signs indicate you're ready for an unsecured card. Improved credit score. Your score may have risen to the fair range, 580-669. Good payment. History. You've consistently paid your secured card on time. Low utilization. You've demonstrated responsible usage of your current credit limit. When choosing your first unsecured card, research low credit score-friendly options like Capital One Quicksilver One or Pedal 2 Visa. Avoid unnecessary applications. Each inquiry impacts your score. Instead, apply only for cards you're confident you'll be approved for. By transitioning to an unsecured card with minimal fees and reasonable terms, you'll continue building credit without needing to put down a deposit. With an unsecured credit card in hand, you're ready for the next phase of growth through strategic use of mid-tier credit cards. Although you've advanced to unsecured cards, the same habits remain crucial: pay on time and keep utilization low. These practices form the foundation for further credit improvements. Many mid-tier credit cards offer rewards like cashback or points, but these perks are only valuable if you avoid carrying a balance. Interest charges can quickly outweigh rewards if balances aren't paid in full. Focus on cards that offer straightforward, low-maintenance rewards. For example, for everyday purchases, cashback cards are a practical option. If you travel often, consider a travel rewards card that doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. As your standing improves, credit card companies may increase your credit limit. This provides two advantages. It gives you financial flexibility and can lower your credit utilization ratio further, which boosts your score. Request credit line increases strategically, only when you know you've managed your account responsibly for several months. The goal of climbing the credit card ladder is reaching the top, qualifying for premium credit cards that offer excellent terms and unbeatable perks. Premium cards often include higher credit limits, lower interest rates, exclusive rewards programs like airline miles, hotel stays, or significant cashback. Additional perks such as concierge services, travel insurance, and event access. To qualify, you'll likely need good to excellent credit, scores typically in the 700+ range. Strong credit history, a record of responsible credit use over several years. Reliable income. Lenders may factor in your ability to manage higher spending limits. Building a long-term relationship with one or two card issuers can also improve your chances of accessing premium products. Rebuilding credit is rewarding, but it's not without obstacles. Here's how to address common challenges. Life happens, and you may miss a payment. If this occurs, take action quickly. Pay the overdue amount as soon as possible. Contact your credit card issuer to request that the missed payment not be reported, especially if it's your first late payment. When credit becomes more accessible, the temptation to overspend is real. Stick to a budget and treat credit like cash. Only charge what you can repay in full each month. If you're denied a credit card, don't get discouraged. Check your credit report for areas to improve and apply only for options tailored to your current score. Secured credit cards are still an option until you're ready to apply again. Climbing the credit card ladder is a marathon, not a sprint. Building good credit requires patience and persistence. Take it one step at a time. Your steady progress will pay off. Think about long-term financial freedom, whether that's buying a home, qualifying for a car loan, or enjoying premium travel rewards. Keeping these goals in mind will help you maintain discipline throughout the process. Every on-time payment and every increase in your credit score is a win. Celebrate these milestones as they occur to stay motivated and reflect on your growth. Improving bad credit and learning how to climb the credit card ladder in 2025 is a journey worth taking. By starting with secured cards, developing strong credit habits, upgrading to unsecured cards, and ultimately accessing premium options, you can rebuild your financial standing one step at a time. Remember, setbacks are part of the process, but consistency and persistence will lead to long-term success. With this guide, you're equipped to start your climb and take control of your financial future. Your journey begins today. Take that first step.